Goldilocks is a young girl who decided one more morning to go for a walk in the woods.
I'm going walking through the big scary forest. I wonder what I'll find.
Skipping along, she stumbled upon and ran into what looked like a cottage. She knocks on the house door.
Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock. Open. Knock, knock. Open. Oops. Open. Oops. Proceed.
It's a cute little house that looks as though there had recently been someone inside due to the porridge on the table still looking fresh.
Porridge? Food, soup, stew. Oh, what a crew. Porridge in a hot bowl. Steam coming up from it. It looks so hot, but I'll try it. It is. What's the opposite of hot? This is really cold porridge. Things that are awesome. Cars, Looney Tunes, brownies, cookies, and porridge that's just right.
Eating poorly temperature-controlled porridge really takes it out of Goldie, so she decides to go rest her full stomach in the living room chairs. Meanwhile, in the forest, the three bears were just enjoying their day, relaxing.
This chair's way too big for me. Find a little chair, please. Wrong size of chair, so please be fair.
Since the last one is too big, she moves on to the small one.
Way too small. She is too tall, but there's another chair that looks like it could fit a bear.
When Goldie tries to get out of the small chair, it breaks, shattering everywhere.
What's a place to relax, to pick up your feet, to just chill out? Comfort that's so sweet.
A comfy chair is the answer to that riddle. By this point, Goldie is becoming tuckered out. She moves on to the bedrooms and collapses in the first bed she sees. Meanwhile, in the forest, the bears were still relaxing.
This bed is too small for me. I may fall, I will not sleep here.
She moves to the next bed in an attempt to find one that's just right.
Big, enormous, gigantic, huge. This bed is too big for me to use.
Goldilocks walked over to the bed, labeled Mama. She hopped in it, and it was just right. She soon fell into a deep sleep. Papa Bear makes his way into the bedroom.
Oh, girl, in Mama's bed. What are you doing here? You're not scary. What is wrong? Help her.
Why, girl, my broken chair? I do not need to hide. You are not scary, but broke my chair. Did you?
The bear saw that Goldilocks wasn't a threat, but really, she was just a young girl in need of some porridge and a bed to sleep in. She apologized for breaking the baby bear's chair, and they all sat around and ate porridge for a little while before sending Goldilocks home, back to her family. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.